The Kwilt Shoebox. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Kwilt Shoebox, a device that lets you back up your photos and videos in the privacy of your own home. You control the storage and it does not go up into the cloud. The company sent this out for me to review. You can pick this up online for $59 and I have the link in the description below. Let's take a look. This device is the Kwilt Shoebox. Inside it comes with a user guide, some quick tips material, stickers, an HDMI adapter so you can do playback on a screen, a micro USB to USB adapter for plugging in external storage, and the power adapter. The Kwilt Shoebox allows you to plug in external USB storage drives and sticks. You can back up all your photos and videos from your devices. It does not go to an off-site cloud storage and you are in control of your photos and videos. You can access them remotely when you are not home also. It's compatible with Mac, Windows, and has an iOS and Android app. You can also play back your photos and videos on a TV and do some editing in the app along with sharing. The device is very small in size and is made of plastic. On the back you have the HDMI port, USB port, and power input. The power just plugs right into the micro USB end. And the adapter for USB storage as well. And the HDMI adapter. The shoebox comes in just over 3 inches in length and about 1.5 inch in width and a thickness of a little under 1/2 inch. Here you can see I have the power adapter plugged in and the adapter for the USB storage. As I mentioned earlier, you can use USB sticks and also external drives. It can read multiple formats. To set up the shoebox, you need to download the Kwilt app. Create a login and sign in. Once signed in, click on the shoebox icon on the top left. This will give you an option to set up a new Kwilt box. You will then need to go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Kwilt Shoebox on the list. Once connected to the Kwilt Shoebox, it will prompt you to choose your Wi-Fi from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi info. It will then sync with your network. Once that's completed, you will get a prompt to create a username for your Kwilt Shoebox along with a password for security. Once connected to the shoebox, you can begin to transfer photos and videos. Select the shoebox again on the upper left and select Transfer to Shoebox. This can take a few minutes depending on how many items you have. You will be able to see the drive that you plugged in and can select that. Once the transfer is complete, you have the option to delete the photos on your device to create more space. You can also transfer photos and videos individually, rather than doing a bulk transfer. The shoebox will organize your photos by date and you can click on the folder to access your photos. Here is just a sample of the 3 photos I did for the test. It also provides you a tool for editing photos. The main dashboard has a few settings for the view, sorting the images, camera, and settings. Settings will allow you to modify your account, see your connected devices, share photos and videos, and transfer preferences. The Kwilt Shoebox. This device is good for those that want to be able to back up photos and videos. You can use your existing storage devices and you have full control of your media. It does not go up to the cloud and you have the added privacy. You will be able to manage and save space on your devices and have the flexibility of accessing the photos and videos even when you're on the go. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.